So now we do another check for has entered money, and this does look kind of redundant for while not has entered money, if not has entered money. It's the same expression, but I use that just for the convenience of the user to actually tell them they've typed in invalid input. Because I know that if not has entered money is true, that means the loop is going to execute again and ask them for their money again and again and again and again until they're capable of typing in a proper number. Which, believe me, some users are not capable of typing in numbers. So next up, we have another while loop. Now this while loop is also interesting because it's not checking to see if we don't have any money left. It's checking to see if we have enough money to purchase the cheapest item on our menu. So this 3 value is not an arbitrary decision. This 3 value is there because the cheapest item on the menu is $3. So we want to say, while the user has $3 or more in their money variable, then continue this loop. Once they run out of enough money to purchase anything on this menu, then the loop stops. So yeah. So once we enter this loop, we present them a menu. I mean, this is just straight up console writing stuff. It doesn't do anything magic behind the scenes. It's just writing text out to the console. But then things get interesting. And this is where, again, I wanted to show how to implement this in a more abstract way, because a lot of people's homework, and this is what I was expecting, had a bunch of validation checks repeated for every single menu choice. And I expected most people to do that. But now I hope you can see that what we can do instead is we can use variables to abstract away the concept of our logic of checking to see if they have enough money to do something. Because at this point, we enter another int.tryparse. Now, this int.tryparse doesn't store into a Boolean variable. Instead, it's directly inside of an if statement. Now, that's completely valid. Anything that returns a Boolean can be put inside an if statement. So we can put int.tryparse console readline out menu choice. And again, this will return true if they followed instructions and typed in a number, and it'll return false if they did not type in a proper number. If it returns true, then our menu choice will be a variable that contains whatever choice that they selected. If it is false, then we will go to this else statement down here all the way at the bottom,